When you were growing up, what was your idea of love? And
Oh my god, I feel like a beauty queen question. So, my idea of growing up of love, or I actually don't know. We had a point where we almost both let go because we were fighting so often. The relationship was super toxic already, where waking up and going to bed was angry. And it was very difficult to do this on a daily basis. And if your relationship is not making you grow into a better person, then it's not a good relationship to be in. So 3 months into the relationship, I opened like babe, I like women's underwear. And it started there, and I always thought that I was gonna be single for the rest of my life. It was like I guess, an expectation, like no one's gonna understand me, I'm never gonna have a partner. And what makes it more difficult for myself is I'm a trans woman who likes women. Just the whole notion of me finding a supportive partner was very alien for me. So
almost impossible.
yeah, no, I thought it was like never gonna happen until I met Joe.
During Angie's transition, we'd always had the name Angelina from the beginning, from the get-go. But when things were really becoming very serious, I was trying to use her name from Ian to Angelina, but it was very interesting. I couldn't say her name. So I wanted to have a tattoo to represent also that I love Angelina, and yeah, it was something that I surpassed also very well. Probably the most difficult time for me as your spouse was the confirmation that you are going to transition. When you told me, babe, this is what I want with my life. This is when Dad had recovered and you started looking at your life in different perspectives. That's when I knew that, oh, okay, this is no longer fun time. This is no longer carnival time. This is really serious already.
We landed in one of the airports where it was super struggle. Like the airport security was a struggle. Literally being looked at head to toe, twice, thrice, asking someone else to look just for, yeah.
And looking at her with disdain.
I was in a car show and I had to use the bathroom. And in the bathroom were, I guess, the promo girls, and some of them gave me like
Stink eye.
not just stink eye.
But she
just
said something to you.
Yeah, she said, dapat hindi ka dito. And I go, maghuhugas lang. I get that a lot from people who've known me for a long time but haven't seen me. And they're like, it's my first time to see you. How do I do this? And I explain, like female pronouns. It's like I prefer female pronouns, but I can't force anyone to use female pronouns. So it has to come from you. It cannot be like, you need to use female pronouns.
That's where I come in. That's where I come in and say, you need to use the proper addressing for her. Sorry. No, but really I do. I would like to advise those who are the friends and family who may have a friend or a family member experiencing what we are. I suggest that you start by opening your heart. That way your mind is open to possibilities, but always keep in your heart that you love this person. And if you love this person unconditionally, watch this person grow and watch yourself grow in abundance. It really works.
So my hope and my dreams for other people who are struggling is to find someone that you can really relate to. It doesn't have to be a partner or a parent or a sibling. It could be a good friend, and just having an open ear to talk to and express yourself is such a huge weight off your mind, your shoulders, especially for people who want to transition and have no one to talk to. I want to tell you that don't lose hope, because I thought my hope was gone already completely. And when I met Joe, everything changed, and you just have to be patient.